So we're gonna head over to Bayside now because all the Vipers are downtown Miami, and we're gonna see what we can see there. There's supposed to be a lot more there. So here we have a final edition. Red and white stripe. Nice GTS here. ACR. Looks like an Extreme. Another ACR. Also looks like an Extreme, and another Extreme here. Really like that orange. That same orange that we saw back at the hotel. Very nice cars. And then we have RT10 right here. Well, I thought that was it. However, I just found out where they all are. They're everywhere up here. So many Vipers. All right, let's do a quick walkthrough here. Striker Red looks absolutely amazing, even under this lighting. We got I think a 2000 GTS. I love that paint scheme. We saw this one at the hotel. And here's an ACR 133 edition, only 33 made. Corvette. Another ACR. Man, so many beautiful combinations. I've actually really wanted to pick up one of these. They didn't make too many of them. I think maybe 300 of them. I don't know the exact number. I'll put it in the video, but I wanted to buy one of these because I've had it as a poster on my wall forever. This one actually has a Speedster hardtop to go over the soft top here in the back. I don't know what you call it, but it covers the soft top in the back. Looks really nice. Custom painted color. Don't know what color it's supposed to be, but looks really nice. And then of course you have this striker green here, which looks completely stunning. Even under this fluorescent light here, it just glows. Man, there are so many up here. They are literally everywhere. Actually, look, there's a Prowler. We'll get to that one in a second. So many ACRs here. Here's that ACR Extreme with a prefix. I think they only made 15 of these without the roof, or the roof can be removed. So incredible. Just keeps going and going. So many Vipers here. Even the security guard has a Dodge. I love this combination right here, that baby bluish not really baby blue, but a really light blue with those silver stripes. Looks really nice. See, originally I thought that was it, all those cars over there, but there's quite a lot of cars. Some of the other guys brought their other cars over too. That TA in that orange, looks amazing. Here's a similar purple to what we saw before. I really like that purple. So here's the Medusa. The guy who created them is actually here at the meet today. They're not making any more, obviously. But pretty neat car. They probably should have made them in a convertible. They made all the other cars in a Roadster convertible mix, so it would have been nice to see them do that. Another striker green out here in the sun, ACR. Wow, this color just looks crazy. If you look close, you can actually see it has kind of like a snakeskin stripe. Looks pretty cool, kind of subtle. A lot of newer Vipers here. Ooh, that's really close. It didn't hit, but it's really close. I love how this guy brought his Prowler out. Pretty neat. I actually really like the Prowlers. I wouldn't be opposed to getting one day, but I would definitely have to do an engine swap. Which by the time I would get one, I'm sure they'd be more valuable than they are now. And I love this color. Definitely one of my favorite colors. Vipers everywhere. Guys, what an incredible turnout here. I didn't go on the run myself this year. My car just had a little bit too many issues. Plus, I couldn't really do the track day event. I couldn't do the cruise. I couldn't go down to the Keys tomorrow. So I just decided to show up here, get some video of all the cars. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything. So many custom cars here. So many original from the factory one-off paint jobs, especially with so many different types of ACRs. Obviously I have one like this. I don't know if that's a 96 or a 97. A couple blue and whites. Just an incredible turnout. Keep popping out of the woodwork here.